Dear friends, welcome to Civil Conclave presentation. Today we are going to discuss about mode of measurements, how to do it, quantity surveyor role and responsibilities. Role of a quantity survey. Let us talk about from the beginning. It's a historical development. Quantity surveyor as a specialist. Fundamentals duties of a quantity surveyor. The role of a quantity surveyor in the construction industry, the role of a government organization, role of quantity surveyor in planning, design, and construction. See, in the year 1933, Institution of Civil Engineers published a report on engineering quantities. 1953, standard mode of measurement has been issued. 1967, establishment of working party to identify research need and construction needs. 1976, Civil Engineering Standard Method of Measurement has been published. 1985, CESSMM2 published. 1988, CESSM 7 has been published. If you want to download this presentation, you can download using the link which has been provided in one of the slides. You can go to the slide and copy the link and you can download this presentation. Quantity surveyor as a specialist requires its special skills in the change and the complex contract administration. Technical and semi-legal skills is also required. Building economics acquired greater importance. Constant monitoring, appraisal to top management on contract matters. Construction engineers do not possess the above skills. Fundamental duties of the quantity surveyor. Advise the owner as a preliminary stage of cost. Study administrated and approval DPR. Advise on the types of contract system. Prepare schedule of work and bill of quantities. Prepare specification. List of drawings. Conditions of the contract. Price lump sum items of the work. Selection of the contractors. Issue and receipt of tenders. Evaluation of the tenders. Performance guarantees. He has to check all these things also. Performance guarantees, deviation and variations, fixing rates, extension of a time, payments, termination of the contract, dispute and the resolution. All duties stated above, taking measurement, monitoring the variations reports. If you want to download this presentation, you can download the same in one of the link which has been provided in one of the slides. Role of a government organization. If he is in the quantity surveyor, tendering based on the administrative approval, contract administration, dispute resolution, arbitration, defect liability, release of a performance guarantee, technical examination. Now let us talk about measurentation and a quantity surveying. Again, we talk about historical development, quantity surveyor as a specialist, fundamental duties of a quantity surveyor, the role of a quantity surveyor in the construction company, the role of a government organization, role of a quantity surveyor in planning, design, and construction. 1933, it is a standard of engineers which has been already explained to you. In 1985, CESSMM2 published in Britain. 1987, SP27, which is a handbook of method of measurement of building works, has been published. 1988, CESSMM7 published. 1991, CESSMM3 published. That is Civil Engineering Standard Method of a Measurement. Measurentation formula. Quantity survey methods in the buildings we are going to discuss about now. What we are covered in this presentation: introduction, formats of measurement, systems of measurement, order of taking measurements, IS codes, standard method of measurement, abstracting and billing, and then the conclusion. The method of measurement varies as follows: center line method, in and out method, important measurentation formulae and their application, standard formats for recording measurement. See, for example, if it is an excavation, this is known as horizontal format, wherein you mention serial number, description, numbers, length, breadth, depth, and the quantity. This is known as a horizontal format. Then vertical format, okay? Trenching, dimensions like this 254, squaring, that is the area, rough oblique waste, detail of a dimension and sketches. Trade system, measurements trade wise. Group system, measurement of all trades simultaneously. Order of taking method, measurements. It will be like this: earthwork, foundation, concreting work, brickwork, stone masonry, formwork, woodwork and joinery, steelwork and ironwork, hardware, glazing, paving, floor finishes, dado, skirting, roof covering, ceiling and lining, plastering and pointing, whitewashing, color washing, painting, polishing, varnishing, demolition and dismantling, water supply, plumbing and drains, water supply, drainage lines, road work including airfield pavement. IS code. IS 1200 part 1 to 28. That is a method of measurements for civil works. All this has been compiled together in SP 27. Standard method of a measurement. Earthwork. Length. That is the nearest to the 0.01 meter. Nearest 0.01 meter for a length above 25 meter. Area, that is in 0.011 square meter. Volume, nearest to the 0.01 cubic meter. Classification of the soils will be soft, loose soil, hard rock, and other soils according to the local condition. Earthwork. Type of earthworks are as follows: surface dressing, rough excavation, surface excavation, inquiry, excavation over areas, excavation in trenches, post hole, return fill and ramp, lead and lift. Earthwork. Lead should be 50 to 1500 meter or additional 1 kilometer to 5 kilometers, like that. Lift is supposed to be at every 1.5 meter interval. Embankment, 10% reduction for a solid content, 5% in case machinery is used. Rock stocks, 50% reduction. Earthwork, authorized width for pipes dia without socket plus 40 centimeter, for depth greater than 1 meter, 10 centimeter for every 1 meter depth. Concrete, classification of cost-sensitive concreting: foundation, footings, walls, slabs supported on walls, beams, columns, chagias, lintel, shelves, beams, staircases, baluster, arches, domes and wallets. Concreting, again it has been defined in soil roof, arch, folder plate, chimney shaft, canal lining, ballast wall, retaining walls, concreting filling for precast components, curb steps, string and lacing courses, cornices, mold, louvers, fins, and fascias. Concreting measurement. Columns. Top of column base to underside of the first floor. That is from first floor slab to underside of the second floor. That means what you mean to say, column starting from the top slab to the next slab column top level. That is a method of measurement to verify the column. Beams, face to face of the column. Bottom of slab to bottom of a beam. Depth. Top of slabs to top of the beam. Depth of the inverted beam. Concrete measurement. Chagias, inclusive of bearing, without lintel. Okay, clear with the lintel and beam. Cavity walls. Plane along center line of cavity. Channel, running meter. Tensioning strand, kg, between anchorages. Concreting measurements. Expansion joints should be measured in running meter. Waterproofing in kgs. Graniting in square meter. Grouting holes in running meter. Water pressure test shall be each hole. Holding bolts numbers. Cutting and concreting, running meter. Toothing and banding, square meter. Concreting measurements. There will be no deduction, okay, for opening less than 0.1 square meter. Small voids up to 40 centimeters square. Volume occupied by the reinforcement should not be deducted. Brickwork. Brickwork will be, if it is a 200 mm thick brickwork, it should be in the cubic meter. Less than 115 mm thick brickwork, honeycomb brickwork, cavity walls, broken glass opening, DPC toothing, they are all measured in square meter. Brick edging sills, cornices measured in running meter. Greater than 3 brick thick, actual measurement to the nearest centimeter. Greater than quarter meter as a half a brick. Brickwork measurement. No deduction for ends of similar materials. Opening up to 0.1 square meter. Bearing of slabs, chagias where thickness is less than 10 centimeter and bearing does not extend to full thickness. Concreting blocks, wall force, holding down bolts. Chases less than 50 mm grit. Volume occupied by box grade. Honeycomb work measured solid. Stonework. How to measure? Battered, tapered, and curved walls measured to the net in cubic meter. Bond stones, volume shall be deducted. Dimension, nearest 0.01 meter, 0.01 square meter, 0.01 cubic meter. No deduction as mentioned in the brickwork. Woodwork and joinery. Battens, less than 5 square meter. Scandlings, 5 to 20 square meter. Length is the nearest 1 centimeter. Width and thickness nearest 2 mm at least cross section. Varying cross section. Section at the large cross section. Framed members. Length of the member including embedded length to the joint. Builder's hardware. Tower bolt. They are all measured in the numbers. Length barrel. Tower bolt. Length of the bolt. Locking bolt is the length of the bolt. Body inches, length of the joint. Parliament inches, width between flanges and the height of the hinge. Handle, grip length. Piano hinges, overall width of the flaps when open. Steel, aluminum, ironwork measurement. Weight of the steel section as per IS weights. If weight not given, calculate at the rate of 7,850 kgs per cubic meter. Weight of delts, brackets, packing paces, bolts, nuts, washers, gussets, and overall dimension. Rivets, minus weight of a rivet plus head. Welding metal, weighting is not added at all to the steel. Weight to the nearest kg. Length nearest to the 0.5 centimeter. Deduction. Hole if it is greater than 0.2 square meter. Opening greater than 0.1 square meter. Steel, aluminum work measurement. Authorized slabs, cranks, shafts, spacer shall be measured, etc. Weight of a tying wire, weight of welds should not be calculated. Expanded metal, unit square meter. Authorized slab measured, openings greater than 0.2 square meter shall not be deducted. Steel rolling shutter, height bottom of the lintel to the finished floor level, width inclusive of side gates, collapsible gate, height, that is to be FFL to the top of the gate width, out to out in open position. Steel doors, windows, ventilators, that is height, width, out to out of frame to the nearest 0.5 centimeter. Pressed steel frames, running meter, filling of frame with concreting measured separately. Roof covering, measured net as fixed without any allowances for elapses. Opening up to 0.54 square meter not deducted. Portions of the roof covering overlapped by a ridge or a hip shall be included. Circular opening shall be classified as whole. GI aluminum FRP sheets, 2 corrugation for a side lap, AC sheets off corrugation for a side lap, accessories running meter. Ceilings and lining measurements, measured net as a M square, circular surface measured separately, supporting members measured separately, no deduction up to 0.4 square meter. Floor finishes, measured net in M square, excluding expansion joint, and in MQ for thickness above 25 centimeter. No deduction up to 0.2 square meter opening. Ends of dissimilar material up to 0.1 square meter. Plastering and pointing measurement, measured in square meter. Thickness greater than 10 mm depth done in a separate layer, and top coat is called as a floating coat. Minimum thickness at any point of the surface does not including dubbing out. Wall plastering between walls, partitions for length, height, top of the floor, skirting, dado to the ceiling, depth of the molds. Cornices shall not be deducted. Site of pilasters projection added to the wall plaster. Deduction, no deduction for opening up to 0.5 square meter. Opening greater than 0.5 square meter, but less than 3 m square. When both faces are plastered with the same plaster, deduction for one face only. When both plasters surfaces have been different plaster, deduction will be done on the side of the frame on which width is reveal is less. If both reveals are equal 50% on each side. When width of the frame equals to thickness of the wall, full deduction on both sides. For openings greater than 3 m square, reduction for the opening and plastering jambs and cells. Plastering and pointing. Ceiling, measurement between the walls. Beams, plaster sides of the beams added to the ceilings. Stairs, measured as a ceiling plaster. Pointing, same as plaster. VU grooves, measured in running meter. Color washing. On walls, ceiling measured separately. Measurement will that of plaster surface. Deduction. No deduction ends of joints less than 0.5 square meter. No deduction for conduits, electrical wiring, cornices. Okay. Cornices and other wall features shall be girthed and included in the general area. Color washing. Corrugated steel sheet will be 14%. Corrugated asbestos sheet will be 1.2 times. Semi-corrugated asbestos will be 1.1 times. Glazing. Glazing panels measured at the nearest 0.5 centimeter. Irregular circular shape measured as the smallest rectangle, square from which the shape could be cut. If ground glass added allowance in thickness for less due to grinding to be given. Measurements for doors and windows, ventilators, fixed, etc. up to 0.0 square meter and not exceeding 0.5 square meter. Painting measurement. Uneven surfaces, equal surfaces. Height shall be from the bottom of the lowest rail to top lowest rail. Doors and windows of composite section measured separately with application of appropriate coefficient. Central is a common rail being dividing line. Where shutter is been provided with a clearance greater than 15 centimeter, such opening shall be deducted. Painting. Measurement coefficient for undulating surfaces. Corrugated sheets, it is 20%. That means you have to multiply by the area into 1.2 times. Semi-corrugated sheets, it is 1.1 times. Corrugated steel sheet, it is 1.14 times. Painting measurement, panel joinery 1.3 each side, flush joinery 1.2 each side, flush shutter 1.2, fully glazed 0.8, partly paneled glazed 1, fully ventilated 1.8, weatherboarding 1.2. Wood single roofing will be 1.10, boarding with a cover fillers 1.05, tile and slate battering 0.8, trellis 2, guard bars will be 1, gates and open palisades 1. Carved and enriched work 2 each side, steel rolling shutters 1.1, plain steel sheet doors 1.1, fully glazed steel doors 0.5, partially glazed doors 0.8, partially paneled glazed doors 0.8, collapsible gates 1.5. Abstracting and billing. It should consist of a measurement box, bill of quantities, running bills, checking bills, final bills. Conclusion. The measurement and billing is an important aspect of any construction industry. There is a need to standardize the procedures all over the country, and all concerned should be familiar with the standard methods of the measurement. With the participation of the international firms, it is all the more accuracy. Thank you for watching this presentation. Kindly subscribe and like, which will motivate me for a further good presentation. In case of any queries, do not hesitate to write to me. The response shall be at the earliest. You can contact me at civilconclave@gmail.com or at my Telegram group, Civil Conclave Telegram group. The link has been provided as below. Thank you for watching this presentation. Kindly like and subscribe, which will motivate me for a further good presentation. Thank you once again.